Hey, what's going on, everybody? So we're at the shop today. Yeah, I'm still injured. Mama's helping out a lot here. She's really putting out some work to help me out. I'm cleaning up the shop, some things I can do. So we got two cars in. Um, we have this Cobalt, which is going to get single stage correction. Well, going to get it polished up, get it as good as we can. And we have the Jeep Atlas, or excuse me, I'm sorry, the Volkswagen Atlas that we ceramic coated last year. It's in for its maintenance wash. It's going to get reloaded, and we're doing interior detail on it for the customers. Ceramic's still holding up great. It's amazing. Thing washed right up. It was a little dirty. We're going to get this thing cleaned up, detailed, and then the rally art started up today. I don't know what's going on with that. In case you guys have been following that. Running 85 in it in the summer and then 93 in the winter, so it could be some moisture in the tank. Put some fuel additive in that today, get it straightened out, and see how it does. So we're going to get to work. We're going to get this thing done and get the Cobalt started and get on polishing it. So you guys have a good day. Stay safe. Thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks a lot. Bye.